Hello and welcome to Ganesh Institute channel. So today our topic of discussion is demoivre's theorem. First of all, let me tell you how it is linked with complex numbers. So you have learnt about complex numbers. These are different from real numbers in the sense that they have real part as well as imaginary part. What are imaginary numbers? Whose square root is in negative, okay? Like root minus 4, root minus 3. So whenever you have to represent a complex number into polar form, let's say you are given with a number like 3 plus 2 iota and you want to convert it into the form of cos and sine, then this is called polar form. Expanding it, let's say you have 1 plus iota whole square. So you can expand it in terms of a plus b whole square. But what if you have to find out a plus b raised to power 12 in terms of complex numbers? Then you can use demoivre's theorem. Let me tell you how. Let's say you have 1 plus root 3 iota raised to power 12. You have to find out this. So first of all, convert this Cartesian form into polar form. So take 1 plus root 3 iota only and compare it with the standard polar form, which is r cos theta plus r sin theta iota, right? If you compare, you can take r as common, but it's okay. R cos theta will be, this is real part without iota, this is real part 1. R sin theta, this is imaginary part, and here imaginary part is root 3. So to solve these two, what we usually do, you have to squaring both sides and then followed by adding them. So on squaring both sides and then adding, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta equals 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3, 4. You can take r square common. The rest part is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and that is 1, right? So r square is 4, r is 2. You cannot take minus 2 because this is argument or amplitude, which should be positive. Argument or amplitude. Now, this is your amplitude. Now you have to find out theta as well, because you have to find out this polar form. So you need r and theta. So r is here. How we can find out theta? If you divide first by second, second by first, so r sin theta by r cos theta, it will be root 3 by 1. So cancel by r is cancelled by r, sine by cos is 10. You know the formula, right? Sine by cos is 10 theta. So what do you know from trigonometric tables, value tables? It is 1060. So it is pi by 3. 1060 is pi by 3. You know, right? You can find out 60. If you multiply it with pi by 180, you will get into radian form, which is pi by 3. Okay, just to recapitulate. Now you have polar form as, you can take r common. R is 2 cos theta plus iota sin theta. But this is not our question. This was not a question at all. The question was to find out the value of this. You have converted only this bit into the polar form. Now if you take raised to power 12. So now demoivre's theorem come into action. So the formula is, if you have something, let's say in the form of polar form, and you have to find out the value of this. Let's remove it. If you want to find out the value of polar form raised to power n, and maybe 12 and maybe 16, so this will be cos multiplied with theta, n theta plus iota sine n theta. Okay? If it will be in fraction, then also you have to follow the same path. If it will be negative, then you have to take negative here negative here. So you know the values for cos minus theta is cos theta only. So remove minus sign from here, and this will be plus minus minus iota sine n theta. Okay, this will be the formula for de Moivre's theorem, which we are going to use here. So this will be 2 raised to power, if we solve it here by de Moivre's theorem, 2 raised to power 12, and this rest part should be followed by this. So cos, multiply this with theta, 12 into pi by 3 plus iota sine 12 into pi by 3. So 3 times 4, 3 times 4, so you will get cos 4 pi plus iota sine 4 pi. Okay, you can leave it here, or else what you can do, you know what, if cos is 2 pi, multiple of pi, and that is also even multiple of pi, then that is 1. Okay, and if sine is the multiple of pi, then it is always 0. So this part will become 0, so the answer will be 2 raised to power 12, and cos 4 pi will be 1, so this is your answer. I hope you got this concept. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will make another video further. Till then, take care. Bye.